Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'll show you the smallest bathroom, ensuite bathroom that you'll probably see. That's just right there, and there you go. It's only 1.5 square meters in food area, so we managed to get the shower, 800 by 800 quadrant shower there, corner toilet and the sink, and it's just all functioning. There's the mirror, and the shower has a couple of alcoves or niches where you can put shampoos, and it's all there. I made this little cupboard out of MDF. It's just a corner cupboard, but it does take all the stuff that you want to hide. So it's right there. Hook or ring for the towel, freestanding sink, a glass for all these toothbrushes and stuff like that, radiator. The window is very tiny, but it works, it's there. Corner toilets, always save space. They're the best because they literally don't consume any space at all. The shower is quite spacious, looks small on the outside, but it's quite spacious. Thermostatic valve, and it's all integrated into the wall, so nothing sticks, nothing protrudes too much. An adjustable shower head. We've got this rail here as well for the towels to go there, or something else you can hang, and that's the whole thing. Heated mirror with LEDs, so it's quite warm and never steams up. And to make it nice and bright, there are 5 spotlights in this small area. It measures 1.4 meters here, and it measures 1.5 meters this way, so it is really tiny. That's pretty much all we can take from here, but yeah, that should show it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please subscribe. I'll show you a lot of more things that I've done. They're all over our house. I'm just starting to make these videos now, so you'll probably see more of them. Have a great night or day, morning, whatever. See you. Peace.